At Alpus Group, we seek win-win solutions, ensuring that both investors and entrepreneurs thrive together through strategic partnerships. Real estate investment trusts is another source of possible investment funding, and if you want to contact us about anything you've seen or heard about in this video, then don't hesitate to schedule a call with me. That's Alan at Alpus Group. That's my email, alan@alpusgroup.com. And you can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE.